Welcome back to MX-5 Info. Let's double down on the auto down function of the Miata power window switches. I will explain 3 ways to optimize the auto down function on your NB or NC Miata. This is very convenient when you want to roll down a window completely with a single press of a button. Years ago, I was looking for a way to add auto down for the passenger side also. I tried a lot, but did not manage to combine the right-hand drive and left-hand drive versions of the switch. When that failed, I even tried an NC power window switch and proved to myself it worked. Of course, it does not fit in the console and the original switch housing, but nevertheless, you will benefit today from what I've learned from this experiment. Let's first have a look at the NB1. It has no auto down function at all, but it can have it if you use the window switch from the NB2 instead. In this wiring diagram we can see the NB2 has relays for the switch on the driver's side. When you replace the switch, you also need to repin the wires in the connector. As you can see, Mazda reversed the order of the wires in the connector. You can unlock the connector by prying up the part that prevents the wires from sliding out of the connector. Then you push down a small locking tab underneath the terminal while pulling the wire out of the connector. You can then insert the wires in the correct order for the NB2 switch. When you want to do this upgrade, look for the version of the switch that matches your car. Let's move on to the NC1. The NC1 soft-top version only has the auto-down function for the driver's side, just like the NB2. The wiring diagram also reveals this. Also in this case, you need to pay attention to the connector pinout. The wiring diagram of the NC version with the retractable hardtop shows 4 relays in total. This is because this version has the capability to automatically lower or raise the windows when the hardtop is opened or closed. The pinout of the connector is completely different when compared to the soft-top version. This is what the connector and pinout of the soft-top version look like. If you want to upgrade the switch, prepare to change the pinout using this overview. Go out and find the switch from an NC1 with a retractable hardtop. With a bit of luck, you might find a cheap used one. For your convenience, the part number is displayed on screen now. Before we continue, just take a few seconds to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. I appreciate your support. For the facelifted NC versions, the situation is almost the same, yet slightly different. The switch hardware is different and incompatible with the NC1. The pinout for the connector of the facelifted soft-top version is identical to that of the NC1. We can also see that in the wiring diagram. For the version with the retractable hardtop, it is very different. In this case, the switch even has a second connector. Fortunately, we don't need that second connector for the upgrade. It does, however, require an extra wire for a permanent 12-volt power supply. This is the blue wire in the diagram. At Mazda, the color code for blue is L, because the B was already used for black wires. This overview shows how to change the pinout when you upgrade towards the power window switch of the retractable hardtop version. Look for the switch from an NC2 or NC3 with a retractable hardtop. Again, for your convenience, the part number is shown on screen now. If you enjoyed this video, you will also like some of my other videos about upgrades on the Miata, which I will link on the screen now. As always, you are welcome to leave your questions and remarks in the comment section below. Thanks for watching MX-5 Info, and until next time.